All right, module 8, assignment 8. Need to consolidate these two folders. Okay. Format diagrams. All right, go ahead and open it up. Meet me in the document. Okay. So select the pyramid. In the Smart Art and Design Tool tab, change the color menu. Okay. So I selected the pyramid. Make sure you're not selecting an individual piece of the text inside the pyramid, that you're selecting the pyramid. Again, if you want to pop this out, you can see what you got in here. Okay. Make sure you get the whole pyramid selected. Preview the different color schemes. Okay. Smart Art Design. Change colors. Let's see. Only giving me a couple options here. I wonder. There we go. I'm gonna have one of these selected. Okay. So I'm gonna go more with this. Okay. All right. Colorful range, accent colors, 2 and 3. Oh, so it has its own. I can't see them here what they're individually called. Oh yeah, I can. Colorful range, accent colors, 2 to 3. There we go. Sorry, I got the wrong one. Okay. Expand the Smart Art Styles gallery and preview different styles. Then from the 3D section, okay, select the inset style. Here we go. Okay. In the pyramid, select the shape that represents a food group you like best. Okay. Oops. All right. You like best. And the pyramid select. Okay. In the Format to tab, expand, apply the word art style that you like to the text. Okay. So I'm going to come over here to Format. Gonna look at the word art here. Okay. So this is all different options that are kind of based on this particular style. I don't like that one. Something dark berries. Let's see. No, I don't like any of these. Makes it too hard to see. There we go. Nope. We'll just go with fruit and berries. And then let's see, one you like the least. Apply. I don't really like protein. Apply the transparent colored outline style. I don't see that one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Transparent. Oh. I don't see this one. Where is it? One of the transparent colored outlines. Not this. Okay, here we go. All right. So it's from this one over here. It's on the shape styles gallery. So for the last one, I was in the text styles gallery. Okay, that was these text ones. Now I had to come back over here to the shape one. And let's see. Transparent colored outline. I'm gonna go, oh, nope. There we go. I like that one. Okay, so this is what we want. We want to be able to still see that this is part of the pyramid, but okay. Reset the smart graphic to its default formatting, then undo the action to reinstate your formatting changes. So that is a Control Z. Well, actually, no, Control Y. Sorry. Get back to where you are. Control Y always goes back. So we want to restore to the default settings on this object. So click this again, okay? And what we're looking at is reset graphic, okay? Went back, and now I'm gonna click undo, okay? And so you're submitting it like this. All right, that's all for this one.